Okay, so edit muna natin yung ating db.php. From websec, gawin natin siyang websec3 since yung ginawa nating database now. And then, we will going to add a new file. We will call it reusable functions.php. Okay, so ano ba ang laman nitong reusables.php natin? We will going to add this. Okay, so function alert message. So gagawa tayo ng sarili nating alert. Okay, so we will not going to use the basic alert of the JavaScript. Okay, so para ma-implement natin to, para magamit natin yan, we can head over to our SWAL2 installation, copy natin yung CDN, then paste natin sa ating index bago mag-closing ng body. Okay. And then, of course, para magamit natin yung reusable functions natin, include natin si reusable functions.php.